First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Sandeep ji and all his friends who gave me this opportunity to play on this stage. And moreover, we are celebrating the festival of Diwali. We have gathered here to celebrate this festival. So I just prepared some composition related to the Diwali festival and some other composition also. So I will try to play that. The first composition I will play is regarding the battle which was between Ravan and the Lord Rama. तो जब राम जी और रावण के बीच में युद्ध हुआ तो किस तरह की the striking sounds of the swords between the Ravan and the Lord Rama. So yeah. This was the victory of Lord Rama. When we celebrate the festival of Diwali, so the sound of the crackers bursting out, which type of sound is produced? If I was to send an invitation to you regarding this concert, so what would I do? I would print out the cards, send it to you, and will ask you to have a seat here, listen to the concert, just have some gossips and then go home. So whole of the scenario is created in tabla like this. The tabla has its own language, so the things we play has to be inspiration from the court musician of the medieval period or the traditional. Come to the concert. Just writing you the invitation, sending you the invitation. Please sit down. Get relaxed. Have some tea. Get satisfied.
Going to play it now. Going to play it now.
traffic system of India is very interesting. आप जहाँ भी इंडिया जाएंगे आपको ट्रैफिक के साथ चलने का बहुत मजा आएगा. Some of you must have been to India, so you must have seen that whenever you see a truck moving on the road, it will never move in the straight way. It will move like this. So ट्रक किस तरह चलेगा? तद्धि किट तद्धि किट तद्धि किट तद्धि किट तद्धि. पर कभी-कभी तो ऐसे तद्धि किट तद्धि किट तद्धि. So truck जा रहा है तद्धि किट तद्धि किट तद्धि तद्धि. Truck is moving like this. So the other vehicles will try to escape themselves from the truck. So they will just move very fastly. Takit 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 takit. So the scooters, motor vehicles, other vehicles. So they will move like this. Takit 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 takit. So the people who will try to cross the road without the signals, they will move like this. Tadhi kit tadhi kit tadhi kit tadhi. Takit 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 takit. They are crossing the road. From the far behind, the animal known as elephant is coming. So it will has his own tempo. So tadhi kit tadhi kit tadhi. Takit 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 takit. So this is the tempo of the elephant. Then along with the elephant, other animals are also coming. Deer, rabbit, dogs, cats, etc. You can see. So from the straight there, a roundabout is coming and all of them will meet there. So what will the picture get? Sound of the cannon firing. These were just the compositions which were ordered by the kings of the previous times. They used to say to their court musicians that you have to. They just saw the thing first. They saw the sound of the horses running. They saw some animal flying, like anything like that. So they will order their court musician to play that sound. So the king first saw the. Deer was moving in the forest, so the king decided to order them that you produce this sound from your instruments. So the deer was moving in the forest, and the deer sees the hunter, and the deer gets surprised. He jumps, and the jumping sound of the deer and all that picture. Deer moving. So when he sees the hunter, now he gets surprised. Jumps. Conversation between Lord Krishna and his eternal consort Radha. Krishna was a very busy god and he used to come home very late, so Radha used to get very angry with him. So Krishna is coming home late and Radha is asking a question from Krishna. Where were you? He said, I was at the party with my friends. Not telling the truth, just speaking lie to Radha. He was saying, I was just with my friends. Radha said, something is wrong. What are you thinking of? You will note in the instrument that as the question is asked, the sound, the tone of the instrument changes. So now Krishna says nothing, just leave this. Radha said, okay, I will also leave it. Then go to bed, no food today. Sound of the lightning, thundering and the raining. Raining. Dark clouds in the sky. Lightning. Sound of the cannon firing. So that we have to create the scenario to put picture like this. We have the big kind of machine. We have to put some black thing in that and roll it out and then press it and then it gets fired. This was also the thing created by the court musicians of the previous times. Sound of the train. So the old engines, steam engines, they used to run at a very slow speed. You can see 10 miles per hour of those speeds. So the old engines, then the modern engines of very faster speed. So I will first play the older engine speed. Modern engines, very faster engines. So that as the train will move faster speed, it will cross the bridge, it will pass down from the tunnel. So all that sounds I will produce from. Crossing the bridge. train is slowing down and finally stopping, applying the brakes.